JG Summit Holdings is one of the largest, most diversified conglomerates in the Philippines, operating in fast-moving consumer goods, in airlines, finance, real estate, operating development, and petrochemicals. We also hold select holdings and utilities in different companies in the Philippines, as well as Singapore. Now, our digital transformation journey started about 5 years ago, and in different shapes and forms, both with our strategic business units, as well as our internal processes, one of them being HR. And we were looking at platforms and solutions that would unify much of the data related to people. We were coming from a group that was largely manual, but also had some platforms which suited some businesses, but did not provide us the data-rich adoption that we needed. We were able to bring in Darwinbox recently after some very successful work with some of our SBUs, and we found the scalability of Darwinbox and their solutions to address both our data requirements, our adoption, as well as the changing behaviors of and evolution of the way platforms would be serving the entire employee experience, everything from onboarding all the way to exit. Darwinbox helped us map different business units and processes on the system and still have harmony and integration across. The DB team was very responsive and worked with us to deliver the implementation that we needed. We really appreciate this level of customer centricity as an organization because it is one of the key enablers at JG Summit as well. And it's great to share this value with a partner such as Darwinbox. What was different from this particular adoption compared to the previous platform was that our business unit champions understood the system very well because of several things. The trainers, the UAT, as well as the very professionally run change management from the Darwinbox team. We see the benefits of an intuitive system that is very easy to learn and pick up with very minimal guided instruction. All of this is really helped drive our adoption. It's a North Star in terms of the success of this implementation. Large improvements were seen in inputs from managers when they appraise their one-downs, and as well as it being augmented by a lot of the aggregated data on real-time feedback that was not available in the previous platforms. A key challenge that we saw was really the fact that as a conglomerate, each of the business units may have to have their own particular needs, and we were very happy with Darwinbox because the robustness and the adaptability really came through. It was not a simple one company rollout, that's for sure. We were able to do this for 11 separate companies, organizations that we call our business units. And these diverse industries actually have varying levels, both of digital as well as people management maturities. With that, we were able to do all this, all done in one system in about 9 months. I think what was very important to us also was process harmonization, and this was very, very much possible through the flexibility of the system. The ability to harmonize our diverse industries as well as companies with specific terminologies, processes, and so on were very, very important. Again, going back to the importance of shared data as well as the analysis that we need to do group-wide. With a high degree of configurability, our businesses were afforded these distinctions in various HR processes, while at the same time being able to have a holistic look at the entire conglomerate on one full system. Talking a bit more about diverse needs across the conglomerate, some SBUs would be using MBOs for goal setting, whereas others have looked at OKRs as their system. The next clearest example is on performance appraisals. And in terms of the process maps, we are looking at SBUs that would prefer taking a look at a 3-level type appraisal as against others that would look at 2-level appraisals. Of great importance as well is the talent and recruitment side, the talent attraction and recruitment side. Darwinbox was able to help us take a look at different customizable processes for each SBU depending on the levels of approval for recruitment requests, as well as levels of interviews and number of interviews. Most important, of course, is to be able to look at the front end, right? Able to create a custom branding for 8 separate company career sites. And these 8 are all administered through a single ATS. Our aspiration was a single source of truth by integrating with the existing technology ecosystem we had. Darwinbox fits right into our tech stack. The integration with 5 different systems of our employee data was very, very critical. And we found that it was very important not to disturb that ecosystem. We found that Darwinbox fitted quite well with our current enterprise software. The ability of the system to deliver configurability and the easy fit into the tech system speaks to its flexibility.